Hi Lords of the Sea! Let's continue to learn maritime English. Make water. To have seawater flowing into the vessel due to hull damage, or hatches awash and not properly closed. MRCC. Maritime Mobile Service Identity Number. Moor. To secure a vessel in a particular place by means of wires or ropes made fast to the shore, to anchors, or to anchored mooring buoys, or to ride with both anchors down. MRCC. Maritime Rescue Coordination Center, land-based authority responsible for promoting efficient organization of maritime search and rescue and for coordinating the conduct of search and rescue operations within a search and rescue region. Muster. To assemble crew, passengers, or both in a special place for purposes of checking. Muster list. List of crew, passengers and others on board and their functions in a distress or drill. Not under command. A vessel which through exceptional circumstances is unable to maneuver as required by the call regs. Obstruction. An object such as a wreck or net, which blocks a fairway or route. Off-air. When the transmissions of a radio station have broken down, been switched off or suspended. Off station of buoys. Not in charted position. Oil clearance. Oil skimming from the surface of the water. Operational. Ready for immediate use. Ordnance exercise. Naval firing practice. OSC. On-scene coordinator, a person designed to coordinate search and rescue operations within a specified area. Overflow. Escape of oil or liquid from a tank because of a twofold condition as a result of overflowing, thermal expansion, change in vessel trim or vessel movement. Polluter. A vessel emitting harmful substances into the air or spilling oil into the sea. Preventers. Ropes or wires attached to derricks to prevent them from swinging during cargo handling operations. Proceed. To sail or head for a certain position or to continue with the voyage. PA system. Public address system, loudspeakers in the vessel's cabins, mess rooms, etc., and on deck through which important information can be broadcast, from a central point, mostly from the navigation bridge. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.